This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes using ingredients you might grow in a garden. First, ensure you have fresh eggs, milk, and flour. Next, combine your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Then, gently mix the wet into the dry until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Finally, cook your batter on a hot griddle until each side is beautifully golden brown. To truly make garden-fresh pancakes, consider what you can harvest. Fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries are perfect additions. You could also incorporate subtle herbs or edible flowers for unique flavors. While growing wheat for flour is a larger project, collecting fresh eggs from backyard chickens is a fantastic way to enhance your recipe with truly local ingredients. For the fluffiest pancakes, remember not to overmix your batter. A few small lumps are actually desirable. Also, keep your griddle at a consistent medium heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for even browning. Regarding your garden, healthy soil is key. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0 to support robust plant growth for future harvests. Once your garden-fresh pancakes are ready, serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of pure maple syrup, or a dollop of homemade jam are excellent choices. A sprig of mint or a light dusting of powdered sugar adds a lovely finish. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.